Question number 4. Convert the following into seconds. So number 1, 17 minutes. So here minutes is there. We have to convert it into seconds. So first we will write 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So we are having here in question 17 minutes. So what we will do? We will multiply. So 17 multiplied by 16. So 70 multiplied by 60. So first we will multiply by 0. So 0 7s are 0. 0 1s are 0. Now we will write here one more 0. So 6 7s are 42. So 2 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. So 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 4 10. So we will add 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 2 2. 0 we will carry it down and 1 we will carry it down. So our answer is 1020 seconds. Now number 2, 21 minutes. So first we will write 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So we are having 21 minutes. So what we will do? We will multiply 21 multiplied by 60. So first we will multiply with 0. 0 1s are 0. 0 2s are 0. Then by 6. Before that we will write 1 0. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So now we will add 0 plus 0. 0 plus 6 6. 2 we will carry it down and 1 will be carried down. So our answer is 1260 seconds. So number 3, 3 hours 30 minutes 15 seconds. Okay, so this full we have to convert into seconds. So first we will convert hours into minutes. So first we will write 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So first we are having 3 hours. So what we will do? We will multiply 3 multiplied by 60. So we will get 180 minutes. 3 6 is 18. So 1 0 we will write. So 180 minutes. So in question we are having 30 minutes. Okay. So what we will do? Now we will add this. So 180 minutes plus 30 minutes. So we will get 180 plus 30. We will get 0 plus 0 0. 8 plus 3 11. So 1 we will write down. Other 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 1 2. So we will get 210 minutes. Now these minutes we have to convert into seconds. So now 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So we are having 210 minutes equal to 210 multiplied by 60. So now we will multiply. So we will start with 0. 0 0 is 0. 0 1 is 0. 0 2 is 0. Now we will add here 1 0. 6 0 is 0. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. So now we will add 0 6 2 1. So we will get 12,600 seconds. So in question we are having 15 seconds. So what we will do here? We will add plus 15 seconds. So we will get answer 12,615 seconds. Number 4, 4 hours 15 minutes. So first we will convert hours into minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and we are having 4 hours. So 4 hours equal to what we will do? We will multiply 4 multiplied by 60. So we will get 4 6 24 and we will write 1 0. So 240 minutes. So in question we are having 15 minutes that we will add. So 240 minutes plus 15 minutes. So 240 plus 15 we will get 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 1, 5 and this 2 we will carry it down. So we will get 255 minutes. Now these minutes we have to convert into seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we are having 255 minutes equal to, so 255 multiplied by 60. So we will start with 0, 0 5 is 0, 0 5 is 0, 0 2 is 0. So now we will start with 6. Before that we will write here 1, 0. So 6 5 is 30. So 0 we will write down, 3 will be carried over. 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 3, 33. So 3 we will write down, other 3 will be carried over. 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So now we will add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3. Then 5 we will write down and 1 also we will write down. So we will get answer 15,300 seconds. Now next question number 5, 125 minutes. So this we have to convert into seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we are having 125 minutes. So what we will do? We will multiply 125 multiplied by 60. So we will get, so 0 5 is 0, 0 2 is 0, 0 1 is 0. Now we will add 1 0. So 6 5 is 30. So 0 we will write down. 3 will be carried over. 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. So 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So we will get 7,500 seconds. Now number 6, 12 minutes 50 seconds. So first these minutes we will convert into seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we are having 12 minutes. So 12 minutes equal to 12 multiplied by 60. So we will get 12 6 72 and we will write 1 0. So 720 seconds. And now in question we are having 50 seconds. So 720 seconds plus 50 seconds, we will get 770 seconds in answer. Question number 5. Read the railway timetable given below and answer the questions that follow in AM or PM. So a table is given, name of train, departure, D means departure leaving time, A means arriving time, arrive at, okay, where that train arrive. Okay, so first one is Rajdhani Express. It is departure from New Delhi, leaving from New Delhi, and time is 20:50 and arriving at 7:30 at Bangalore. Second one is Karnataka Express, departure New Delhi, departure time 21, then arriving time 13, then arrive at Bangalore. The next one is Kerala Express, departure from New Delhi, time is 11:30 and arriving time is 6:15, arriving at Thiruvananthapuram. Magadh Express from New Delhi, departure time 21:30, arriving time 12:30, arrive at Patna. The next train Punjab Mail, departure from Mumbai, departure time 21:30, arriving time 10:30 and arrive at Ferozpur. Okay, so here are some questions. So give your answer in AM or PM. So we have to give answer in according to our 12-hour clock time. Okay, according to AM or PM. So first question, when does Rajdhani Express leaves for Bangalore? So Rajdhani Express, when it leaves for Bangalore, 20:50. Okay, from New Delhi it leaves. So departure time is 20:50. So before the colon, the digit that indicates hour. If the hour is more than 12, so what it indicates, it is a noon time. So what we will write? We will write PM. Okay, so after noon time we will write PM. So this is according to 24-hour clock, so we have to convert into 12-hour clock. So what we will do? We will subtract 12 from 20. So 20 minus 12, what we will get? 8. So the time according to 12-hour clock is 8:50 PM. Now number 2, when does Karnataka Express reach Bangalore? Now Karnataka Express, second one, Karnataka Express, when it reach Bangalore, that is arriving time is 13. Okay, 13 hours. So before the colon, that is left side, that indicates the hour, which is more than 12. Yes, it is 13. So we have to convert into 12-hour clock. So if more than 13 is there, so what it indicates? It is a noon time. So we will write PM. So we have to subtract 13 minus 12. So we will get 1. So which time it reaches Bangalore? 13 minus 12, 1. So 1 o'clock PM. 1 PM. Now number 3, when does the Rajdhani Express reach Bangalore? Now Rajdhani Express, so here it is in number 1, Rajdhani Express, when it reach Bangalore, so arriving time is 7:30. So before the colon, the digit indicates the hour. If the digit is less than 12, so what it indicates? Means it is a morning time, so we will use AM. Okay, so it is morning time, so AM. So what we will write? So same time. So when does the Rajdhani Express reach Bangalore? 7:30 AM in the morning. Now number 4, when does Kerala Express leave New Delhi station? So now Kerala Express, when it leaves New Delhi stations, means leaving time, that is 11:30. So same way, before the colon, that indicates the hour. If hour is less than 12, means it is a morning time, so we will write AM. So we will write the same time, 11:30 AM. Now number 5, Magad Express reach Patna. Now Magda Express, when it reach Patna, arriving time is 12:30. Okay, if in the before the colon, this indicates the hour. If hour is 12, then what it indicates? That it is a noon time. So what we will write? 12:30 PM. Now number 6, when does the Punjab Mail leave Mumbai? So see, when Punjab Mail leave Mumbai, departure time is 21:30. So before the colon, that it indicates the hour. So what we will do? We will subtract 21 minus 12, and if more than 12 is there, this means it is a noon time. So we will write PM. So 21 minus 12, so we will get 9. So we will write time 9:30 PM. Question number 6, convert into hours and minutes. Okay, here minutes are given in question, so we have to convert it into hours. So first one is 360 minutes. So we are knowing that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So in opposite also we can write that 60 minutes equal to 1 hours. So in question we are having 360 minutes. So this we have to convert into hours. So here we will write the question mark. So 360 multiplied by 1, and this 60 will come in the division. So we have to divide 360 divided by 60. So here we will divide. So in 60 table, when 360 will come, so 60 multiplied by 6, 6 zeros is 0, 6 6 is 36. So 66 is 360. So subtract 0 minus 0 0, 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3 0. So our answer is 6 hours and 0 minutes. Now number 2, 7200 minutes. So 60 minutes equal to 1 hours. So we are having 7200 minutes equal to how much. So same way 7200 multiply by 1 upon the 60 will come in division. So we will divide 7200 divided by 60. So in 60 table, when 7200 will come, so here we will take first two digit. So 72 in 60 table, when 72 will come, so 61 is 60, 62 is 120. So we will take 61 is 60. So 72 minus 60. So 2 minus 0, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. So we will carry down this 0. Now in 60 table, when 120 will come, 62 is 120. So 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Now this 0 is left. So that we will carry it down, and in quotient we will write 0. So our answer is 6120 is 7200. So our answer is 120 hours and 0 minutes. Now number 3, 7200 seconds. So here seconds is there. So first here we will convert it into minutes. Then we will convert it into hours. So 60 seconds equal to 1 minutes. So we are having 7200 seconds equal to how much? So 7200 multiply by 1 upon 60. So we have to divide 7200 by 60. So same way we will take first two digits 72. So 61 is 60. So 72 minus 60, 2 minus 0, 2, 7 minus 6, 1, and this 0 we will carry down, so it will become 120. In 60 table, when 120 will come, 62 is 120. So now we will carry down this 0. In quotient also we will write 0. So we will get 120 minutes. So what we will get first? Minutes. So now these minutes we will change into, convert into hours. So 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So we are having 120 minutes equal to how much? So 120 multiplied by 1 upon 60. So what we will do? We will divide 120 divided by 60. So 62 is 120. 0 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So our answer, that is 2 hours, 0 minutes. Now number 4, 25,200 minutes. So these minutes we have to convert into hours. So 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So we are having 25,200 minutes equal to how much? So what we will do? 25,200 multiply by 1 upon 60. So we will divide 25,200 divided by 60. So first we will take 3 digits, 252. So 64 is 4 zeros is 0, 4 6 is 24. So 64 is 240. So 2 minus 0, 2, 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, so we will carry down 0, so it will become 120. In 60 table, when 120 will come, 62 is 120. So 0 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So now we will carry down this 0, and in quotient we will write 0. So our answer, that is 420 hours and 0 minutes. The quotient indicates the hours and the remainder indicates the minutes. If any remainder is coming, that will means it is a minutes. Now number 5, 840 seconds. Okay, here seconds is given, so first we will convert it into minutes. So 60 seconds equal to 1 minute, and we are having 840 seconds equal to how much? So 840 multiplied by 1 upon 60. So we will divide 840 divided by 60. So we will take first 2 digit 84. So 60 ones are 60. So 4 minus 0 4, 8 minus 6 2. So it will become 24. We will carry down this 0. So 64 is 240. Now we will subtract 0 minus 0 0, 4 minus 4 0, 2 minus 2 0. So here we got 14 minutes. So here we will leave this answer in minutes only, because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so here only 14 minutes is there, which is less than 60. So we will not convert it into hours because it is less than 60. So we will leave it in minutes only. So our answer is 14 minutes. We can't able to convert it also. Okay. So number 6, 1440 seconds. So first we will convert it into minutes. So 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So we are having 1440 seconds equal to how much? So 1440 multiplied by 1 upon 60. So we will divide. So we will take 3 digits 144. So in 60 table when 144 will come. So 61 is 60, 62 is 120, 63 is 180, 3 zeros is 0, 3 6 is 18, 64 is 4 6 is 24. Now 63 is 180, which is greater than 144. So we will take 62 is 120. Now 4 minus 0 4, 4 minus 2 2, 1 minus 1 0. Now we will carry down 0. Now 64 is 240. So 0 minus 0 0, 4 minus 4 0, 2 minus 2 0. So we got 24 minutes. So here also same, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 24 is less than 60 minutes. Okay, so this we can't able to convert into hours. So this is our answer, 24 minutes.